you're sick, the military, if you're away, if you're disabled, any of those things. It's pretty generous actually, but mail-in ballot, the tremendous cheating that goes on with mail-in ballots. So we would have no mail-in ballots except for those various exceptions.
Mr. President, does the ceasefire in Lebanon need to happen for you to get to a deal?
No, it's not really tied, but you could say maybe psychologically tied, but we're going to help Lebanon become a country again. You know, it's been a long time for them. They've gone through a lot, and we're going to help them be a country again.
And were you frustrated with Netanyahu while you were negotiating the ceasefire in the last round? Was his action bombing Lebanon? Did that
look, he's been a very good partner. No, we disagree on some things, but he's been a very good partner. We did a good job. There's probably never been anything like it. He says we were the senior, and we are the senior. We're the senior never. We have the greatest military in the world. I built it in the first term. Didn't think I'd be using it this much, but we have the greatest military in the world, greatest equipment, greatest. When you look at it, we had 101 to 111, depending on your definition, because some were two. They came out in twos. Missiles shot at a certain very valuable asset of ours that happened to be sitting on the water. Every single one of those missiles was shot down. Think of it, 111 missiles. Every single one of them was shot down. Never even got close. Nobody has a military like this. Nobody has equipment like this. Nobody has the power that we have.
Sir, you said that the U.S. was going to take the nuclear dust from Iran.
Yeah, if we didn't make a deal.
What's the timeline on
Well,
that?
I'm not going to give you that. You want me to give you the time and date and everything else?
Is it like you've been negotiating
If we
how long that
obviously, I'm not
process
going to
will
give
go
you the
on?
time, other than if we sign the agreement, then I can give you time somewhere after the signing of the agreement.
And
We'll
will
go
it
in
involve
with
US
Iran.
military?
We'll go in with Iran, and we will take it together, and we will bring it back, 100% of it, back to the United States. If we don't do that, we will get it in a different form, in a much more unfriendly form.
And if that does not,
But in any event, we'll get it.
unfriendly
But in
form, would
any
that
event,
involve more?
excuse me. But in any event, we'll get it. Go ahead.
If you don't have a deal by Wednesday when the ceasefire ends, will you extend the ceasefire or will
I
you
don't know.
start
Maybe
attacks
not.
again?
Maybe I won't extend it.
Okay.
But the blockade is going to remain. But maybe I won't extend
Would you begin
it. So you have a
again?
blockade, and unfortunately, we'll have to start dropping bombs again. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. I think it's going to happen.
अमरीकी सदर ट्रम्प तैयारे के बाहर मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि ईरान अपना हरमत से अमेरिका की मदद से बारूदी सुरंगें हटा रहा है। ईरान कभी एटमी हथियार नहीं रख सकेगा। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं का खुसूसी तौर पर शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। अपना हरमत की सूरत हाल नॉर्मल हो चुकी है।